Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will, back to you with another video. Man, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We definitely appreciate you. Here we do everything tech, all things tech. Whatever it is, we like to do it. And man, for all the returning viewers, I definitely appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. Man, I appreciate you all. Y'all keep things going. Today we are doing an actual follow-up video. And if you take a look at the corner of the screen here, a while back I installed the Supernova G3 EVGA 850 watt power supply in the Alienware Aurora 7. And so in that video, there's a point where I had some issues with the actual power cables for the 1 terabyte hard drive. So what do we have here? Yes, these are the right angle power cables. So we are definitely doing a follow-up video. Just gonna be a quick video today. Just gonna install these cables. You can see how everything is done. I definitely put a link to the description below about where you could be able to get these cables. You should be able to pick these up from Amazon. They were super cheap. And definitely this one actually came with 2 in the package. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Grab some snacks, grab some drink. Let's go. All right, guys. So we got the Alienware Aurora 7 here. We definitely got the 1 terabyte hard drive that's right here. And of course, we need to go ahead and make sure that we connect the power and the SATA cables and everything for this. We're going to go ahead and swing the power supply cage open because we need to make sure that we attach the DVD drive cables as well too. So we got the SATA 3 cable right here, and then we have the 15-pin male to 15-pin female for the right angle. And I'm gonna go ahead and open this up just so you can see what that looks like. And there are 2 that came in the pack. And again, I will post a link down in the description where you could be able to get these. But as you can see here are the right angle cables. So when we hook this up, it's gonna go on just like this. And then we'll be able to actually, put the siding of the case and everything back on, and it's going to fit flush. Because if you remember in the previous video, if you haven't seen that already, go watch that. One of the issues that we have with the cables that came with the EVGA 850 power supply, that were sticking out, so we couldn't put the actual siding on the case back on. So we got these. They're not my ideal colors. I would like for it to be all black, but it's cool. It's just all about, just making sure that everything functions. So I haven't hooked this back up since we installed the actual power supply. So I was just using this drive just for storage, basically backup of some information here. So it's going to be good to go ahead and get this back up and going. Of course, I have 2 hard drives here. One is a 250 gigabyte hard drive. The other was a 512 gigabyte hard drive. The 512 I use for gaming. The 250 I'm using as a scratch disk, and so I've just been using that along with the 970 Evo, which is also a 500 gigabyte hard drive. So I've just been using those. It's been working great for me, but it's definitely be good for extra storage. So let's go ahead and get this, do some cable management and get this thing open so we could get everything connected. Yeah, and somebody did ask me initially when I installed I had a 2070, and when I installed the 2070 I was using just 1 cable with 2 separate pins, but when I installed the 2080 I'm actually using 2 separate power cables, and which is what I recommend that you do, just FYI. This is a 6-pin connector to the 15-pin here, and we're definitely going to make sure that we connect these to the other SATA cables that we have here. So one is going to go to the actual DVD drive, and then the other portion is going to get connected to the SATA cable. So this one is gonna connect here. Okay, so one of these is gonna connect here. The other one is gonna go up here. So we're definitely going to connect this one to the middle one here. All right. So once we do that, then we could connect this back to our 1 terabyte hard drive. And I am actually going to route this back through here so we can clean that up. And it looks like we probably need to remove our graphics card. Look at that beauty, man. I think it's thick, right? Super thick. Love this card. Whew. Besides the actual computer system, this is the best purchase. All right, so we got another SATA cable. This is the extra one that I had. All right, so we're gonna use this SATA cable for the actual DVD burner. All right, so there are more SATA ports this here. I'm actually gonna use the last one down here. I'm gonna use the last SATA port down here for the DVD burner. Okay, everything is all about placement. All right, so you got another SATA cable here. All right, so we got all our SATA cables in place. Let's go ahead and route these cables back through so we can get them out the way. All right, so after making a couple of changes in the run with the actual SATA cables, we definitely got it to where we should be good when we're installing the graphics card, because this is very tight up in here. So we should be good to go. Let's go ahead and put the graphics card back in, because we had to make sure that it was going to seat properly. All right, so the graphics card is in. All right, so we need to connect one of these to here. So that snaps in there, and then we're gonna go ahead and stuff this back in because we don't need it. SATA 3 cable. So this is, all of this is attached to the 1 terabyte hard drive. All right, so just to recap, we connected the adapter, which is also connected to the actual the 6-pin power adapter for the DVD drive. And then we connected the other part of the 15-pin female to the 15-pin male. And then also connected the SATA cable to the actual 1 terabyte hard drive as well. So again, the other power cables that we had, they were sticking out, so we couldn't put the side casing back on. But now we have the right angle cables here, so everything is now back fully connected. All right, guys, so that is it. So now all we gotta do is just put our side actual siding back on. And that just lets you know it's working, because last time we couldn't even get the actual siding back on. So you're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video all the way through. You kind of seen with the cables and everything that we had to use, and also the additional SATA 3 cable that we're using, along with attaching the actual DVD drive and stuff like that. So I'm probably never going to use it, but hey, you just never know. But for those who out there that do have the DVD drive, You've seen the actual other adapter that we use that we had already installed back in the previous video. And man, so let me know if you got any questions down in the comments. Let me know. Don't forget to follow me on social media. That's going to be Instagram and Twitter, where you'll find me the most. And also, if you would definitely like to support the channel, if you would like to donate to the channel, definitely don't forget to check out my Patreon page, my Cash App link, and also my PayPal link. So if you have any questions, again, let me know down in the comments. I appreciate you all's help, and we got some great content that's coming in the future. I'll see you in the next video.